Hi students, my name is Margaret Mohr, and I will be your professor for Kin 249, Sport in the U.S. Society. I'm so looking forward to learning along with you and getting to know you throughout the course. I have taught this course for 20 years face-to-face, but I'm looking for the opportunity to teach online and learn online with you. A little bit about my background is I come from a very large family. I'm the seventh of 8 kids, and I grew up in the 60s when all you did is play sports. I loved running around with my siblings and had a natural knack for sports. That led to a long career in sports and has now led me to be a current college coach and a former college athlete. Some of the experience I've been lucky enough to have is playing in a Final Four, coaching at the high school, JC, 4-year, and WNBA level. I hope these experiences add to the breadth of knowledge of our class and make class fun and interesting. My hope for you is that you're successful in our class, and I will do everything possible to help you learn the material and enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to your commitment and help in that way also. My hope is that after taking this class and learning through the book, that you decide the place sports will have in your life and the life of those you love. So I look forward to getting started and can't wait to get to know you. Go class!